In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Firefox browser on your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process should apply for you. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing to do is to open your current browser. If you have Chrome, you can go ahead, open it. Or if you have Microsoft Edge, you can as well open it. So here I'm on my Google Chrome browser. I just type in Firefox to search it online, and here we have the official Firefox website. If you click on this, you can see we have an option to download Firefox. Now to get this Mozilla Firefox browser, just go ahead and click on download here, and this should automatically begin downloading the browser. You can see the process is on here and it is done. However, if the download didn't begin automatically, you can try again by just clicking on try downloading again here. Once the download is done, now head to the folder containing this installer, and here it is. Now just double click on it and you'll have an option to install the browser. So for my case, I had it previously, so I have an option to reinstall. For your case, if you're installing it for the first time, you'll see install option here. So I'll begin the installation process, and as you can see, it is in progress. It should be done within some few seconds. And now, as you can see, it is done. I can see the shortcut is here. So I'll wait for this to be completed. Just be patient, don't close this window. All right, now once it's done, you can now launch your browser by just double clicking on it to start using it. So here you can choose whether you want to pin it to taskbar and also import from previous browser if you have any bookmarked pages from any other browser. So that's how you can install Firefox browser on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.